how to Steam remote play together. First, you want to open up Steam, then you will go to your library, find the game which you want to remote play with someone, right click on it, and then go into properties. Make sure enable the Steam overlay while in game is enabled. So here make sure this is toggled on, and then you will just open up the game. Once the game opens up, so we're just gonna wait for it to open up, it's a very quick game. You want to see this, access Steam features, overlay, press shift plus tab. Okay, so once the game loads here, I'm gonna show you how this works. Okay, so this is a very simple game. Okay, so we are gonna press tab and shift, or hold shift plus tab. And then here you will see friends. This is going to be the overlay. So click on the overlay. Then you want to find your friend whom you want to invite to play. Right click on them and you will click on invite to play together. So it's going to be the option. As long as they are online and they have the game, you can invite them to play together, and that is how you do it. You also have the option of inviting them to watch. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.